This is gonna be the worst thing that I have ever done. I'm gonna be recreating food from Haachama's cooking. If you don't know who Haachama is, she is just the greatest chef of all time. I'm going to try and recreate some of her masterpieces that she has made. I have 6 selected here. Yes, 6 total recipes. Alright, let's look at her first recipe.
視聴者の皆さんはもうお気づきだろうか。ピースオブワールド。そう、これは世界平和。これがハーチャマの作り出す。
Her ramen. This is the most edible thing that she has on her menu, alright? All you gotta do is get some water. There we go. I go ahead, turn the heat on. Now I'm getting kind of scared, so we're just gonna let that boil for a bit. Once this begins to boil, what you want to do is you want to grab this specific brand of ramen. Here, this room is a fucking mess, by the way. This room is absolutely terrible. Grab this brand of ramen. This stuff is really spicy, by the way. It's pretty good, but it's spicy. So you just gotta let that boil for a bit. Once that begins to boil, whenever it does. But for now, let me show you the rest of the ingredients. You're going to want some shrimp. She has prawns, but I mean it's Australia. You're going to want some steak. My dad used up all the steak, put some marinade on it. I don't think that's going to affect the flavor too much. But konnyaku, I couldn't find konnyaku in any Asian store. Where is she getting konnyaku? I only have yam cakes. Fucking yam cakes. It's taken me months to find anything that resembles konnyaku. I had to go to Georgia. I went to another state to pick this up. Where in the world is she getting this? She's in Australia. Where could she get it? You also want to grab some good old dumplings or gyoza and some imitated crab meat. That's almost done boiling, so I might as well just go ahead and put everything in. A very simple dish to make, alright? So grab the noodle, dump that in. Who eats the vegetables? And the soup base. It's starting to smell. Is that a bad thing? Jesus, what is that smell? Go ahead and just put everything you've got into the soup, alright? Mmm. Good stuff. Dump that in. Might as well. Some steak. I'm saving the steak for a bit. But we'll just throw some steak in. Shrimp. I'm gonna toss that in too. I'm gonna just grab one. There we go. Now then, go ahead and toss a couple in there. Yeah. There you go. There you guys go. That's what that looks like, alright? I just realized I don't have chopsticks. One moment. You wanna know you also forgot that goddamn konnyaku. That stuff that you've been trying to find for months? You forgot. You dumbass. Alright, so yeah, the shrimp's like starting to cook a bit. And so it looks like that right now. Oh, it's got heat here. Duh! Oh no. Oh shoot. So weird. Oh! Sorry about that, I just have the worst mic arm in the galaxy. I kinda overjudged the amount of broth that I was about to make. Now it's spilling on the floor. Alright, anyways, time for the taste test. Well, what do you know? It's ramen. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just like, it's just the same ramen with extra steps. Like crab meat. Oh god, imitated crab sucks! Jesus, this is terrible. It deserves that. Try the meat. That's just sad. The meat's cut way too thick. Gyoza. I've never tried gyoza before. Let me try it. Anyways, like, there's nothing wrong with it per se. I'll probably continue eating this later. Okay. Let's go for our next meal.
主張が激しすぎる。
Pasta. This is gonna require more water. I'm gonna get some more water from the toilet. By the way, I don't actually own udon noodles. I only own pasta. You're gonna add that. You're gonna add some more gyoza. Toss one in. And another shrimp. perfect. By the way, that shrimp is frozen and it's on the ground. I now am stepping in cold water. So here's what I've got so far now. Like a couple noodles. There we go. I just realized the heat wasn't on the whole time. That's why it wasn't boiling. This is gonna take a while, isn't it? Jesus Christ, it's not even that much water. How long does it take to boil? I'm literally on max heat. It's taking so long. I think my gas stove has run out of gas, but I don't want to go out and get more gas because I'm afraid of what this could do to my house. Wait. Oh my god. The pot's so small. The pasta, you know, and it's burnt. They burn the pasta. You know what, fuck it. Pasta's done. I need more pasta. Alright, I'm about to make you guys mad. Oh! Is that what happens when you split pasta? Everything just exploded. I was planning on doing this in my kitchen. However, probably a huge chance that someone would just walk into the kitchen and then see me making whatever I'm making. They'd be seeing me make pasta in the worst way imaginable. Hey, I did it. I've started a fire in my own room. Did you know if you add gas to a gas stove, it'll work? Crazy stuff to think about. Okay, I think that's good enough. Go ahead and scoop it out. It's only been like 2 minutes. But that's enough for pasta. Let me give you guys a nice view of this. Here's the pasta. And I'm gonna let you guys see the finished result. So we're gonna finish it off by just adding a little bit of tomato sauce. A little bit. There we go. That's not enough. A nice amount of pasta. Itadakimasu. Oh, Jesus. Maybe the shrimp will be okay? Shrimp's alright, I forgot to build skin. That was a giant mistake. Alright, so. That was dreadful. But don't worry. We still got a lot left to go. Gotta make some pancakes. Put the pan down. Next, you're supposed to have pre-made pancake batter. However, I don't have any pre-made pancake batter, so I made my own using a recipe, and it's just the worst pancake batter I've ever made. So, I think it's perfect for this recipe. So first, you want to grab your pancake batter when you're making whatever vegetable pancake she's making. Go ahead and heat up the pan. You want to get the pan as hot as possible. The reason why is because you want it to burn on the outside, yet be undercooked on the inside. I didn't get a spatula, so I'm gonna have to use this rubber spatula. Now leave that to cook. Your vegetables. I don't have any like basic vegetables like lettuce or like tomatoes because we just don't have that kind of household. I have this stuff. I don't know what vegetable this is. What? It's starting to burn, which means it's good. You gotta make it in sort of like an omelet shape. Alright, still moist on the inside, meaning perfect. Time flip. Dang it, why does it look good? Can't look like that. Dang it, I made it good on accident. I'm turning on the heat, mostly because I'm afraid that I'm gonna burn my house down. Okay, there we go. Now we're getting some nice color. It'd be looking like this right now. What sucks is I couldn't make it as bad as that was. Here's what it looks like. Oh, here we go. Here's the taste test for the vegetable pancakes. Oh god. Jeez, that's terrible. This is garbage. And we're gonna make more. Because we got
またしてもダークマターを作り出してしまったハーチャマ。見た目は悪くても美味しいというのが売りのハーチャマクッキングだが、やはり見た目がグロすぎて YouTube 君にバンされてしまうのは本末転倒。いい加減火加減を覚える日は来るのかハーチャマ。
Okay, so we're yet again adding pancake batter. First off, we're not adding whatever that vegetable was. That was dreadful. Instead, okay, so we're supposed to add red food dye. I don't have red food dye, but it ends up becoming like a fruit pancake. So I just got strawberry syrup instead. It all works out the same. I'm making special dishes out of it. Dip it into random parts. One. Let me play. Yeah. Yeah. It's like latte art. Look how happy he is. Look how happy he is. Okay, we aren't done yet though. There's a special ingredient we gotta add. Or not, we don't have like basic foods like lettuce or tomatoes or red food dye. But we sure as hell do have kimchi. What she add? She adds that inside, alright? So now, it looks like that. I killed the man. Alright, now. Did I overcook this enough? Nope, not yet. It still looks okay on the outside. That's not what I'm going for. What I think I should do is I should like stir this. There we go. There we go. That helps it make it look more like dark matter. I just saw a spark. There we go. Oh. Omelet. We got that now, eh? Pretty neat, isn't it? It's not dark matter enough. I can't turn on the heat or I'll turn the fire alarm again. Okay. This is what the pancakes itself looks like, alright? What I need to do is add some ingredients. So, she adds Kit Kats to it. I don't have Kit Kats, I have Pocky, which is the closest thing to a Kit Kat. Y'all ever only own 2 blueberries? I only own 2. 2 blueberries, the only 2 I own. And now, bananas. She adds bananas to this as well. However, we don't have regular bananas because why would we? I have rotten bananas. Here's our final meal. It's not accurate because it's not dark matter. Or I couldn't burn it because if I did, my house would die. Let's just give this a whirl. Alright. Oh no. Oh. Undercooked and burnt. terrible. We got one more dish. We got one more. We're finishing this off. But oh no.
充実したネット生活ももう終わりだ。メントスコーラ焼肉女とか言って小学生や JK からもバカにされて生き恥をさらしてくんだよ。オタクから囲われる姫生活も今日で終わり。あばよはーちゃま。
Mentos, Coke, yakiniku, or just beef. So, how to start this off? Easy. Crank the heat on again. Get yourself some Mentos. I don't have it in the bottle. I have it in the package. Look at that, teammates. I don't want to wear in the pan. It's starting to melt. It's starting to melt. It's starting to melt. It's starting to melt. I don't have any Coke. Is Pepsi okay? I'm scared. Beef. Oh, it's another smiley face. You just want to let that simmer for a bit. The Mentos are just exhaling this steam. It hurt my eyes. It's like cool air, but it's hot at the same time. I'm turning this off. This is our last meal. Oh. Need to eat the beef at least. So, how good is Haachama at cooking? I'm gonna die in 3 days.